Hey everyone, today's video is about how to place a tracking pixel on your website. So first thing we're going to do is log into Socialmonials and then go to our account preferences page. Now we're going to scroll down where it says conversion tracking code. Every account comes with a lead conversion event confirmation page pixel and a shopping cart order confirmation page pixel. You can also create custom tracking events if you wish. The two most important ones are right here at the top. Let me explain how they work. So the lead conversion event confirmation page, this is the pixel that you're just going to click on. You're going to copy it to your clipboard. And the place you'd want to add this is after somebody submits a form or goes to any page that indicates that they are a new lead to your organization, somebody that you can reach out to and hopefully close a deal. And the reason I say a form is a lot of forms have a thank you page that you can access and paste code onto. So if you are placing it on a page with the form, don't place it on the page itself. You need to find out where the form's thank you page is. That way the pixel only fires once they successfully submit that form. That's what makes them a lead. If they go to the page, look at the form, maybe fill out a couple fields but don't submit it, they aren't really a lead yet. So only make sure it only goes on the thank you page. Very similar thing for the shopping cart order confirmation page. The biggest difference here is that this one has revenue tracking. So to activate revenue tracking, just make sure you check this box. Checks before copying to activate revenue tracking. And what that does is it adds this 3 zeros, basically 0.00 rev equals. And what this is a lot of the shopping carts have a variable that you could plug in here. And when you plug it into your shopping cart, make sure you find out, first of all, make sure you're placing it on the thank you page, which is the page that they see after a successful purchase. Then you're going to want to replace this these 3 zeros here with a variable from your e-commerce platform for the amount of the sale. So if the order amount, if they buy $200 items, it's $200 total. $200 should pass through to Socialmonials because you're using the order total variable. Your shopping cart might vary. They might call it something different, like cart total or something like that. Just make sure you find out, and you'll want to contact your e-commerce shopping cart provider to find out how to add that variable in. But I'm going to grab a simple pixel here. Let's just take the lead conversion event. I'm going to copy this and jump over to Landingy, which is just a landing page creation tool. And let's take one of our test pages and edit it. So because this isn't JavaScript or anything fancy, it's just an image pixel for our tracking code. You can pretty much put it anywhere on the page you want, and it's completely invisible. It's only 1 by 1 pixel in size, and it's transparent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the HTML editing option, and I'm going to add an HTML piece to the page. I'm going to edit that, and in the code area, I'm going to paste that pixel just like I copied it in, and that's it. So now that I save and close, what will happen is when I publish this and go to that page, you won't actually see that pixel that I placed, but it will be passing tracking information back to Socialmonials. And the benefit of that is now every time I post to social media, every time I run a campaign or deploy some share buttons, as those are being used, now you're able to see reporting on all of that activity, and it also passes the conversion event back to Socialmonials too. So for example, if I'm looking at my reports, let's jump into the published messages report. Now it's going to populate the KPIs down below for leads. So if you were wondering what that leads number is and why it's 0 all the time, well, it's because you haven't placed your lead conversion pixel on any of your thank you pages for like your email sign up form, or maybe it's your request a quote form. So if you scroll to the bottom here's where my leads will show up now that I've placed my pixel. And as people visit, it will have a number here. And the nice thing about Socialmonials is, let's say you post to Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn on a single post, and Instagram, and 3 people from your Facebook share click through and then fill out your email newsletter. It's going to show 3 just from that Facebook activity. And if somebody from Instagram copies that URL and pastes it into a browser window, visits and converts, then it's going to show 1 for Instagram. So that's very unique to Socialmonials. Now you get to see where your leads are coming from. I hope that helps. Good luck. If you ever need help, just reach out to our support team. We have live chat available during business hours. Thanks.